Bullish Desert Spring Organization cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 26 cents and 58 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Rose could reach 26 cents by 2025. Bearish Desert Spring Organization market cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. Desert Spring Organization presentation. Desert Spring Organization has proactively drawn in a ton of interest from the local area with its main goal to offer dApps and the information economy a fast and safe climate. An expansion in normal exchanging cost was welcomed on the new news. For data on the fate of the resource, see our Desert Spring Organization value expectation. Be that as it may, how does various variables influence the Desert Garden Organization cost expectation? Here is a synopsis of the venture overall before we investigate the Rose cost expectation. What is the Desert Garden Organization? Desert Spring Labs, laid out in 2018 by teacher Sunrise Toon of the College of California, Berkeley, is the essential maker of the Desert Spring Organization. Desert Garden Organization creates DeFi applications and cross-chain interoperability. It portrays itself as the primary security-empowered, versatile blockchain network for open money and a dependable information economy. The organization's regressive similarity with the Ethereum blockchain, which was delivered in October 2020, empowers the development of decentralized applications, like the decentralized trade Uniswap, from Ethereum to the Desert Garden blockchain. The organization's local utility cache, called Rose, is utilized for marking and appointment at the agreement layer, as well with respect to paying exchange charges. Out of a complete fixed cap of 10 billion, the token had a send-off dissemination supply of 1.5 billion. After some time, delegators and stakers will get impetuses for shielding the organization and how much around 2.3 billion token. Desert Spring Organization Central Investigation. Desert Spring Organization is a Layer 1 blockchain that utilizes confirmation of stake, as was at that point depicted. It is additionally the business most memorable protection-centered exertion for open money. The objective of cryptographic forms of money is to hurry the reception of decentralized finance by the overall population. It does this by fostering a stage that is more open, versatile, and reasonable than elective conventions right now available. The organization asserts that the Desert Spring blockchain is very adaptable as a result of two parts. These are alluded to by the Desert Garden Organization as the agreement layer and the paratime layer. The paratime layer makes it feasible for various exchanges to be done simultaneously, speeding up in general handling execution. The site asserts that contrasted with sharding and parachain procedure on other blockchains, paratime handling is more protected. A vital part of the drive, as indicated by the Desert Spring Organization, is security. The drive utilizes a solid figuring stage called Confided in Execution Climate, which, as per Desert Garden Organization, shields shrewd agreement execution and ensures that information is never presented to designers or validators. Clients can feel more calm realizing that those connected with will approach their delicate information because of this. The site likewise offers what it terms tokenized information, a sort of computerized resources. This element, as indicated by Desert Garden Organization, gives clients command over the information they produce. Desert Spring Organization is looking to reclassify information possession as opposed to customary innovation, where enterprises control the data they accumulate to make an additional dependable information economy. With these security qualities, the gathering desires to open up an extensive variety of new use cases. Also, it will ensure that applications can deal with basic information, like banking and well-being data, without clients stressing over the information being compromised, the organization claims. Desert Spring Organization Specialized Investigation. In spite of the fact that it is challenging to give 100% exact specialized examination to the Desert Garden Organization digital money, Trading View's strong specialized examination device permits you to see the accumulated Rose trade rating continuously for the pick time span. The most broadly utilized specialized pointers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns are the groundwork of the ROSE USD report. Goff Capital, in a hopeful gauge, gives Rose a bullish cost expectation for quite a long time. The stage predicts a steady expansion in the normal exchanging cost of the token. Moreover, digital coin price likewise sees the coin expanding in esteem. The entrance predicts an expansion in normal cost, however, at a somewhat more slow speed. Desert Garden Organization current cost. Desert Garden Organization is right now worth 5 cents USD. Rose has moved 0.94% as of now with an exchanging volume of $22,494,733. Desert Garden Organization is as of now positioned 106 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $300,331,267 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Desert Spring Organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Desert Spring Organization Value Forecast 2022. Desert Spring Organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Rose cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 8 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 8 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Rose is supposed to have a base worth of 7 cents. Desert Garden Organization Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Desert Garden Organization Rose cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Rose will before long outperform 14 cents. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Rose's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Rose will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 11 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 13 cents. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 20 cents and Rose might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Rose is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 19 cents and a low of 17 cents in 2024. Desert Spring Organization Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that Desert Garden Organization effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the Rose coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Rose will be green in 2025. The Rose is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 26 cents, with a base cost of 23 cents and a typical cost of 25 cents. Desert Spring Organization Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Rose cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 31 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 29 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Rose has a most extreme value worth of 32 cents. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 36 cents. In the event that Rose figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 38 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Rose needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 35 cents. Desert Garden Organization Value Forecast 2028. While Rose is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 41 cents and a yearly cost close above 44 cents in 2028. Desert Spring Organization Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Desert Spring Organization will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be